Morning, Ben. Fuzzy here, Burton Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. We have a 13 Subaru Impreza, 35,000 miles, clean little car, great on gas. It is a 5-speed. Everything is in order on this car. Looks great, a little frosty this morning. Subaru's tried and true all-wheel drive, as you probably already know. We've got this car reduced now. It's a 13 Subaru, 35,000 miles. Car's reduced down to 13.9. Got the rack on it for your kayak already. Inside's nice and clean. It's even playing Christmas music. Please ask for Fuzzy, Burton Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin, 608-879-2973. Thanks for looking today.